So this is step 14, and this is our last little bit of the headphones. We're still on part 1 though. And so it says to create, we're going to create this little part. It says to create 2 rectangles. The first one, so we're going to go over here and take our rectangle tool and there we go. Okay, and then we're going to change our color. Let's see. And then that one's going to be 4 by 26. And then the other one is going to be 12 by 20. Let's see. That's going to be the color for it. Your color code. Let's see. There we go. And then we're going to duplicate the first one. So we're going to grab that and do Control C and then Control V. And on that one, they want that to be 2 instead of 4. Or sorry, 2 instead of 26. So there we go. That makes it little bitty. And we're going to take the fill color. Copy that. Now I can see this little bitty thing here. And we're going to put that all together. So it may be kind of hard to see. So if you can't see it, you can do Control and then the plus sign and it'll zoom in. Okay, so let's get that put together. I'm going to put that there. And then I'm going to use my arrow key to kind of try to put that together. See, it's so tiny. Let's see. Okay. It says to select everything and then you can group. You can either do Control G, or if that doesn't work for you, you can do select it. I'm actually going to first delete these lines so that they don't get grouped. Okay, so we're going to select everything, right click, and then hit group. And there you go. Now that's all grouped together. I can hit Control minus and it's going to zoom out. So now we're done with this part of the headphone. We're actually going to start doing the band now. This is step 15. And it's going to begin by creating a 252 by 252 ellipses. Okay, so we're going to go over here, hold down, select our ellipses tool, create that, and see right now it doesn't have any color, and that happens sometimes. So we're just going to click on this and let's see, grab our color here, copy, and paste. Okay. And again, they want that to be 252 by 252. And then the stroke, they want to be 20. Let's see. Okay. So then now we're going to take our direct selection tool. So we've been using our selection tool, but this is the direct selection tool. And we're going to click down here. Notice now this is blue, while those are white. So then whenever I hit the backspace button, it goes away. You can expand and slightly rotate the band around to kind of make it bend the way you want. I'm just going to leave it alone for right now. But if I wanted to, I could take my direct selection tool and hold on, it's being funny. And I could actually bend it the way I want. So that's up to you. How much you want it to kind of look curvy. I'm just going to leave it though like this for right now. Okay, and you're going to notice my screen has a little bit of a tint to it, and it's just because of my settings. So that's why my screen's a little darker than yours probably is. So I'm going to take this and let's get it to move. Let's see. For some reason, I didn't want to move. Okay. We're going to take this and put it there. There we go. Awesome. Okay, so then we're going to duplicate the headband here. Why does it not like selecting it right now? Don't know. Let's see. We're going to hit Control C, Control V, and then this is going to be our fill color. Oh. So here I double clicked and it made it where it's in its own layer, kind of isolates it. So I can make sure I'm clicking on the right thing. Let's see. There we go. And then I can just double click out. And then it wants it where it can do our scale a little bit different. So there you can hit right click, transform, and then scale. And we're going to make that 93. 93 and click OK. And so then it wants it to be 6 points downwards. Okay, so main thing, that just means you're going to move it. Let's see. There we go. Ta-da. And then, so we're about to finish. This is heading into step 17 for this part, for finishing the headband. Okay, so then we're going to do this and do Control C, Control V. So we have our other one. See, that doesn't look right. So we have to right click and then transform, reflect, and do OK. And then you can use your arrow key to quickly line that up. And then, let's see. They have it lined up where it's like directly in with it. There we go. And if you want, you can also do, let's see, where's it at? Send to back. So that way it's back behind. I think it looks a little better when it's back behind. There you go. Okay, so that was step 17. And I'll make another video for the next part.